As the coronavirus outbreak continues in India, some Indian residents in the valley are growing concerned about their friends and family back home. Lindsay Jackson met with members of the Indian community and found out their thoughts about their country's fight against the pandemic. Lindsay.
Being away from home is a challenge that most international residents in the Wabash Valley prepare for, whether they're here for school or work. But two local residents of Indian descent told me not being able to get to their families during a global health crisis is an even bigger challenge. Sairam Upadhyayula arrived in the U.S. right before the COVID-19 pandemic began. He says after being away from home for a year, seeing another outbreak occur in his home country of India is concerning.
From the last few weeks, we had like 400,000 cases daily. I mean, people are scared to come out, and there is like a shortage of oxygen, beds in the hospitals. So I mean, it's really getting hard on them.
And due to President Biden's India travel restrictions, Sai canceled his trip home for May 14th. He says he's going to miss out on several important occasions, like his parents' wedding anniversary.
I'm missing that, my mom's birthday, my dad's birthday, I'm missing everything. So, but hopefully we are connected in virtually. Hopefully things should go back good again.
Zachariah Matthew is another Indian Terre Haute resident who planned to travel back home in the coming months. But his family, who live in large cities like Bangalore and Mumbai, are currently on lockdown.
Uncertainty has become a new norm or a new normal. But when there is uncertainty about the uncertainty, it becomes very difficult. So they don't know what to expect tomorrow.
Matthew says the biggest issue is lack of resources.
That's where it becomes really difficult. So it is just not about PPPs and oxygen and hospitals. It is also a healthy labor. I mean, someone who is absolutely healthy, not infected with COVID, not having anything to buy bread or not being able to feed their children.
Dr. Arthur Feinsod, president of the Interfaith Council of the Wabash Valley, wrote a letter asking the community to support local Indian residents. Feinsod lost his mother to COVID-19 last year. He says it's important to support each other during tough times.
It's very personal to me, so I look at our Indian friends and neighbors and co-workers and think of what they must be going through being here in Indiana, knowing that there's so much suffering in their homeland, and my heart just went out to them. So, and all of us, the Interfaith Council, number of us were eager to do something. And
Feinsod says the council is currently working to come up with ways to send supplies and money to those in need overseas.